there, everyone. It's Laura Myers for CMS-Connected, and I'm here with Bill Baer from Microsoft to talk a little bit more about the future of SharePoint. Now, in terms of user adoption, how does the future of SharePoint look in that respect?
I think it looks great. I think some of the more recent experiences, particularly in the cloud that we've been working on, is really driving user adoption because we're taking the capability of all of 365 and really bringing that into SharePoint to drive more depth in terms of user experiences. So it's going beyond what SharePoint used to be familiar to people as content management and collaboration, but really delivering intelligence and insights and analytics from the Microsoft Graph, which is just empowering more adoption, more usage, and more retention.
Perfect. Are there tools from Office 365 that you feel would add more value for organizations in terms of the adoption?
Yeah, I think some of those tools are some of the ones that I just talked about. I think Delve and the Office Graph are great examples of tools that drive greater adoption because it drives greater visibility into the content that the users are consuming, the content that they're creating. Obviously, OneDrive for Business is a great opportunity. Everybody needs file mobility these days, and everybody needs it on a mobile device. So OneDrive for Business is another great add to the SharePoint space to really drive that adoption, to drive that usage.
Perfect. And what advice would you give organizations that may have invested a lot of resources in more of an on-prem format?
So SharePoint's traditionally been an on-prem product, and I think that's kind of where we're the incumbent from an on-prem portals perspective. And for our customers today that are on-premises, that are pursuing the cloud, we've got a number of unique opportunities for them to get there. There's the wholesale migration approach. Most customers aren't quite adept to that because it requires a lot of planning, a lot of business analysis to figure out how to make that long-term investment in migration. So we also have a great hybrid offering that allows you to bring the cloud to your business versus bringing the business to your cloud. So our hybrid offering is really strategic to us. It's a great strength to help our customers adapt to a new cloud-first, mobile-first world. And then obviously today we talked about our Fast Track offering, which can help kickstart customer migrations, bringing them to Office 365.
Perfect. It sounds like that'll make SharePoint really easy to use for everybody.
Absolutely. That's our goal.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for the time.
Perfect.